Attention enthusiasts and serious collectors. This 1968 GTX is one of 327 ever made total. It is a 440 with a 4-speed transmission, Dana rear end, power steering, power brakes, and these factory colors, red with a white interior. That's how it was born. When I say 327 made, that would be the GTX 440 4-speed convertible. That's it. How many exist? How many are red and white? This car was rotisserie restored in 2012 in very nice shape. Go to volocars.com. That's where you'll find a price tag on this one and 200 other classics, all for sale. Right now, let's go for a spin. All right, the hood looks great. Has the little scoops on each side with the blackout in the middle, but it is all straight. Fits real nice. Front fender is excellent. All lines up beautifully. Smooth right down to the bottom. That's a 12-year-old restoration, and the body's still looking really nice. Opens easily. Shuts real nice. Straight. This is not ripply or wavy at all. It is all real straight, smooth to the bottom, no bubbles. All this fits real nicely. That trunk lid lines right up, straight as can be. Absolutely straight sides. Doors are straight, fit square and flush. Shuts nice. All of that is clean right down to the bottom. So actually, it's a funny story. I bought this car, I think in Alabama or something like that, and the title actually said previous owner. And it's a Mopar guy, a friend of mine down in Tennessee. So I called him up, and he said, yeah, it was an unrestored original car. So it's the real deal. And then the guy he sold it to is the guy that restored it. That's who I bought it from. He restored it in 2012, owned it, 12 years. That's who I purchased the car from. So it is a real deal GTX 4-speed convertible. Always been red, beautiful, smooth, glossy finish. A gentleman that restored it, he didn't bring it to #1 condition, but he did a really nice job. And the paint is slick. There's no question about that. It has the white stripes down there, the GTX emblem. Door handles look like they've been replaced, but aftermarket's got some tiny pitting. Looks like he had all his stainless trim buffed out. Little bit of pitting on the mirror, but it's shiny. This is original with some freckles. In back, the tail panel, I'm going to say, is in really good shape. You have that argent silver, really nice shape. Chrome is a little freckling on it, a little pitting. But tail lights, all that's in really nice shape. Bumper has been re-chromed. Now, 68 was the only year for the little round marker lights. Pictures of the white convertible tops on our website. We just put the top boot on, and I see a mechanic got their dirty fingers on there when they installed it. We'll clean that up. We also just put on the 15-inch Magnum wheels. Those are brand new wheels on there. Had some torque thrust before. Same thing on this side, a little freckling on the mirror and on the vent window pillar. Windshield's crystal clear. Fender mounted turn signals look real good. Like the tail panel, the grille is really in nice shape. Front bumper's been re-chromed. Again, folks, the paint is slick. I forgot to point out, must have skipped over it, there is 2 hairline cracks right back here. One going this way and one going that way. Other than that, really, really beautiful paint. Let's open it up, see the inside. All right, let's open the trunk. Let's say I'm going to open the trunk, you're going to watch me. Under the trunk lid, all repainted, slick red. Sticker needs a little more sticky. Jam is painted nice, weather strip is replaced. Does have a mat, has a jack assembly, has a well liner, no spare. All clean metal. I'm sure that's a replacement pan because it's too perfect to be original. They did a really nice job installing it. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click the bell icon. You'll be notified when new videos are posted. We just hit 200,000 subscribers. On our way to 1 million. Jambs look real nice. Latches look nice. Weather strips replaced and fit real nice. Door panels look really good. The wood grain trim's a little wrinkled. So the dash pad's been replaced. All of this appears to be in very good condition. A little crackling in the plastic. I'm sure it's all original. Tachometer. Original AM radio, but may have had a different radio at one time because it is, looks like it's cut there, missing a piece. All this looks nice. Glove box liner is new. Kick panels are nice. Red carpet's excellent. This is what makes it the 4-speed right here. It's an original console in good shape. The lights work. Not a new console, but good original. Seats are in real nice shape. Not brand new, not perfect, but real nice. Headrests have been replaced. Back seat's been reupholstered. Does have some wrinkles in it, but it is upholstered real nice. Side panels are nice. Look at the little interior lights work on both sides. I cleaned the boot. Original steering wheel looks real good. That might be a reproduction. The visors were replaced. Mirrors are good original. You can see what I mean. The interior is very nice. When I say rotisserie restored, it was, but it wasn't brought to a $150,000 level. It's a correct 440 Super Commando, 375 horsepower. Looks stock. This thing's a beast. Wait till Michael takes you for a ride. This thing will rock and roll. Stock air cleaner, valve covers, manifolds. Reproduction Chrysler spark plug wires. They're dated. All nice engine bay. All painted real nice red. There's little clips. The squirters are hooked up. Washer bottle. You got the horns. The right alternator. Mopar radiator. Right shroud. Reproduction. Lots of battery topper. Now that's the original fender tag. No denying that. Also has power steering and power brakes. Looks like a restored wiper motor. Under the hood painted nice, has a nice insulation. It's a really clean looking engine compartment. Michael's going to take you for that test drive now. Have fun.
All right, everybody, got a beautiful day here. The top is down. It's time to go for a cruise. Beautiful GTX here. Power top, power steering, power brakes. Pretty nicely optioned car. One of about 320 made, roughly. Really rare to have it in here with the, it is a factory 4-speed car, factory 440 car. And yeah, that all those things compiled make it fairly rare as well. Started right up, no issue. It's got a nice clean idle to it. From my short experience driving it just not even a quarter mile, it seems to shift good, everything like that. It's got a real nice original feel to it. Clutch is very true to the original. Brake pedals good. Seems like a great cruiser. It does have the correct 440 under the hood. And yeah, I love the color combo, of course. These white seats, it's frame off restoration. Pretty nicely done. These seats feel fantastic. And yeah, we're cruising in style. Nice sounding exhaust. See, all the gauges up here are working. Alternator showing a charge. Gas gauge works, speedometer. Only thing is the temperature gauge doesn't work up here. The tachometer does work, but your temperature is down here. You're not going to be able to see it from there. But you got an extra oil pressure here and a tachometer. Right now at 400 RPMs. It looks like we're sitting at about 68 pounds of oil pressure, and it's about 190 degrees. So we are gonna pull a little U-turn here and go back towards home. But yeah, it's a great ride, beautiful cruiser. And seems like, yeah, you can jump in this one, hit up any, any local cruise nights you'd like to, or go anywhere you need to. I didn't hear any, noise in the suspension or anything like that, and it seems to perform well. So, yeah, our shop went ahead and went through this car, top to bottom. We did have a little list of things that we did to it to get it in its current condition. And if you'd like all the details of that, you can check it out on our website. Oops, pop that up. All right, let's see what she's got. And just like that, up to highway speeds, absolutely no problem. I got a preference towards the Mopars, but really nice, clean running 440 here, and yeah, it's a lot of fun. Lots of fun to throw around this, the 4-speed shifter, and you have more than adequate acceleration, of course, with that beefy V8 underneath the hood. This car's a winner. Really do like it. And yeah, somebody's gonna have a lot of fun in this one. It's a great driver, it really is. Let you hear that exhaust one time. Yep. Kind of tame, but just enough to let them know that you got something there under the hood with that 440. No doubt about it. Great vehicle. You guys definitely check out all the pictures, details, and the full description on volocars.com.
So underneath is all clean metal. It looks like this is painted gloss red. There are welded in frame connectors. Looks like Chrysler put them there to keep the convertible from twisting. All the mechanicals were rebuilt. The suspension, the steering, the brakes, fuel system, all redone. Exhaust system still looks like new. It sounds great. You look up at the motor, it's clean, has a correct dated 4-speed trans. Has its original Dana 60. That's the heavy duty rear end with 354 sure grip gears in there. This is a really nice car, folks. It wouldn't take much to bring it to the next level if that's what you're interested in, or it's beautiful the way it is. But some cars, if you want to bring it to the next level, you have to start over. This is not like that. The body, outstanding. Convertible top, there's pictures on our website. Rare car, 327 made, 4-speed 440. It's going to be a blast to drive, and you know it's an investment. Go to volocars.com. Salesman will help answer your questions. including how to get this beauty in your driveway and how to finance it if you need to. Thanks for watching.